So now we are going to discuss question number 2B. So Babu Small Industries employ two workmen Vikas and Shiv. So this is a problem which we have it in study material. So those who are thinking no need for the preparing study materials. So even you are using some other author's textbook, it is fine, well and good, but please prepare for study material. So don't skip study material because we will be getting the same questions also. So study materials are based. After that, we can refer n number of authors textbook and we can practice past year question papers, everything. So, okay, let's discuss this question. So, two workmen they are having Vikas and Shiv. So, both works to produce the same product with the help of same raw materials and also with the same normal wage rate. Vikas is paid bonus according to the Rowan system. So, Vikas is paid based on Rowan, while Shiv is based on Alse. So, their bonus is varying. The time allowed to make the product is 50 hours. Vikas takes 30 hours while Shiv takes 40 hours to complete the product. So time allowed, that is standard time is 50 hours. But actual time is for Vikas 30 hours and for Shiv it is 40 hours. The factory overhead rate is 10 rupees per man labor hour actually worked. Factory cost of the product for Vikas is 14,560 and Shiv is 15,200. So we need to calculate what is the cost of materials and we need to prepare a comparative statement for factory cost for these two workmen. So this is a simple question, but factory overheads, how we will be calculating factory overheads? We need to calculate prime cost. That is prime cost is materials plus labor. Here in this question, we don't have materials. We don't know what is our labor cost because we need to calculate based on a Rowan system for Vikas and has the system for Shiv. So both we need to calculate. Then after that we will be arriving prime cost. So in prime cost we need to add factory overhead. So factory overhead is 10 per man hour. So we can calculate that one. So after that only we will be getting factory cost, right? So first we will calculate labor. So we need to calculate for Vikas wages. So for Vikas it is based on Rowan plan. So what is the formula for Roman plan? So time taken into R plus time saved divided by time allowed, that is your standard time, into time taken into R, right? So in this problem, T is equal to, for Vikas, time taken is 30 hours. And then TS. So TS is 50 hours. So for both of the workers, it is 50 hours. So that is time allowed. So I want to calculate TS, that is time saved. So 50 minus time taken, that time allowed minus time taken, that is 30. So time saved is 20 hours, right? So here we don't know the rate. So let me assume R. So rate as R. So I just want to solve this equation. So T is 30 into R, that is 30 into R, 30 hours plus time saved, that is 20 hours divided by time allowed, that is 50 hours, into again time taken 30 hours into R. So if I am solving this 30 hour plus, so 20 divided by 50 into 30, right? So 20 divided by 50 into 30, I will be getting 12. So here it will be 30 hour plus 12 hour. That means 42 hour. So Wages for Vikas under row 1 plan is 42 hours. So let's calculate for Shiv. So wages for Shiv based on Halsey plan. So what is the formula for Halsey plan? Again, here actual hours worked. So T into R, time taken into R, plus here I will be considering only 50% of time saved. So 50% into time saved, that is TS into R. So here Shiv time taken is 40 hours. So T is 40 hours. Again, I don't know R. So let us assume rate. So R as rate time saved. So my standard time is 50. I have taken only 40 hours to so time saved is only 10 hours. So I'm just applying in formula. So 40 into R, 40 hour plus 50% of 10. So it will give you 5, right? So 5 into R, so 5 R. So 40 R plus 5 R. So I will be getting 45 R. So I have calculated wages for both the workmen. So I just want to construct in a costed format. So first materials. So both are using same raw materials. So I'm using materials as X. This is for Vikas and this is for Shiv. So both are using same raw materials and labor. So labor we have calculated. Here it is 42 hours. Here it is 45 hours. So my prime cost, that will be X plus 42 R. In case of Shiv, it is X plus 45 R. So now I need to calculate factory overheads. So they have given factory overhead rate as 10 per man hour actually worked. So in case of Vikas, he worked for 30 hours. So 30 into 10, so 300. In case of Shiv, he worked for 40, so 40 into 10, 400. So my factory cost will be, so prime cost plus factory overhead is my factory cost, right? So ideally it should be X plus 42R plus 300, right? X plus 42R plus 300. This is equal to what I have given my factory cost for Vikas is 14,560. So this is equal to 14,560. Dates is given. So in case of Shiv, it is X plus 45R plus 400. This is equal to how much? 15,200 in question answer they have given. So let's solve this both equation. So X plus 42R plus 300 is equal to 14,560 and X plus 45R. So let's solve this. So if I just want to move this 300 this side, no? So this 300 will move this side. That means I will be getting 14,260. Here in this case, so I am just moving out this 400 this side, so it will come as minus 400. So x plus 45r is equal to 14,800. So I just want to solve these two equations now. So I can change the sign. So I will be getting x and x cancel. Minus 3r 14,800 minus 260. 14,800 minus 14,260. I will be getting 540. So r is equal to 540 divided by 3. So 540 divided by 3. So r will be 180. So my wage rate per hour is 180. So now they asked us to prepare comparative statement. So for that I need to calculate material also. So now I calculated just R. So I will substantiate R in this equation. So x plus 42 into R, that is 180, is equal to 14,260. So 42 into 180, I will be getting 7,560. So x is equal to 14,260 minus 7,560. That means x is 6,700. So my material price is 6,700. So I have calculated x and now I calculated y also. So now I am preparing comparative statement. So materials is 6,700. So here labor I have used 42 hours, right? So 42 into 180. So 7,560. Here it is 45 hours. That means 45 into R is 180. So I will be getting 8,100. So my prime cost will be 14,260 and 14,800. Here I will be getting 14,560, which is given in the question, and 15,200. So 14,800 plus 400, 15,200. So my answer with the question tallies. So I don't have any arithmetical accuracy here. Arithmetical mistakes here. If my answer is not matching with the factor cost given in the question, then I need to recheck my answer.